Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my video. My name is Taneshia, but they all call me Glamorous Mimi. Welcome to my channel. If you are OD, welcome back and thanks for watching. If you have a friend watching too, make sure they subscribe to this channel and turn that notification post on so you won't miss any videos I post. And that's good for the new people who new to my channel and watching. Turn that notification post on so you won't miss any videos I post. But this video is gonna be based on spring tutorial makeup looks. Well, basically our look, but yeah, whatever. But this is the eye look I went for. And I did do my eyelashes on camera, but it was a struggle, but I got them through. So anyway, if you want to know more of the hair I'm wearing, I dropped that down in the description box. It was an Instagram giveaway that I won. So it was a silk lace frontal base. Silk base lace front. So I'm loving this hair. I love it. Even though it's synthetic, I still rock it and love it. So I'm just stop chit chat and let's roll into the video. Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, but this video is gonna be based on my spring look, and I'm doing a little spring tutorial look of this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this is my first impressions of it. And you already know what the colors look like because I did it in one of my last videos, and this is what I'm gonna look. So let's get started on my spring look. So I'm gonna start off taking this yellow and put it in my definer and crease area. And I'm gonna take this neon orange, and I'm gonna go on top of that.
And I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules.
I'm gonna go back in with this yellow and just blend the top.
Just in the street forever. Just forever. Just.
Then I'm gonna pat this hot pink or fuchsia pink on my eyelid.
Deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid.
I'm gonna try to take this red and go back in my crease and start defining area and just make a bit a little more color.
Try to understand, and I just wanna see the colors and the rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever.
gonna take this purple and pack it on top of my pink, my fuchsia pink. I'm taking this brush from Ipsy and just blending it all out together. I'm taking this white to highlight my brow bone, so yeah. So this is my eye makeup look. So I'm gonna apply my Ardell Wispies. My Ardell Wispies I just bought, and do my eyeliner, all of that, and I'll be back. Now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics foundation and applying it on my face. I used 3 different concealers. So my powder concealer is already set, so I'm just waiting for that. So yeah, my face may look a little orange on camera, but it don't look like that in person. When I'm looking in the mirror, I just checking with my sister and stuff like that, my mama, and they say it's like the camera is the lighting make me orange. I'm running out of light, so whatever. So I gotta do what I gotta do. So I just set my under eye, and I did that fuchsia pink and purple where I placed on my eyelids. So if you're asking what it is, and I just told you. So I'm just about to apply my mascara on my lower line and my eyeliner on my waterline.
Used to pit in my mind life, standing on rainbow.
Okay guys, this is the look that I was going for, or maybe not trying to go for, but like I did something being colorful as for spring, and this is the look I went for. So I hope you like it. And this is my first time applying lashes on camera, but it was a little hectic, but I did it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And this is what my first impression is for the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I really love this palette. It's so much neon colors, and I will use it again. And if anything, or if you buy it and you already have it, tell me about it, what you love about it, or what's your favorite color in this palette. But I think all the colors is my favorite right now. It's like this popping red and fuchsia pink is like so, like I normally don't wear pink, but this is like, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Like I love it. So like I said before, the foundation is like may look a little orange, but it's not orange in person. But yeah, so I'm just stop rambling and chit chat, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
It's from my bed.